If you've got a bathtub where you'd rather see a walk-in shower, don't go swinging that sledgehammer just yet. Here's why I advise that you call in a pro for a job like this. When it comes to a project of this scope, a licensed contractor can help you navigate the process from start to finish. Not only can they assist you in the design process, they can also coordinate subcontractors that are needed along the way. A pro will also take care of any structural changes to the space, permitting, and keep the project on schedule. Tub demo is tricky, so leave this to the experts as well, to avoid damaging your existing plumbing. A pro crew will remove the tile surround and then carefully cut around the drain and the pipes to remove the old tub and reveal the existing framing. This is then thoroughly inspected for water damage and repaired or rebuilt to accommodate the new design and the local building codes. Next, the water supply will be rerouted for the new design and the shower fixtures. And you definitely want a certified plumber to do this part, because otherwise you could be looking at major headaches in the future. The underlayment and waterproofing of the shower walls and the floor is critical to the entire process. If the waterproofing isn't done right, moisture could seep behind the walls and the tiles, causing mold and structural issues down the road. Next, the shower pan installation gets underway, and this process can be complicated depending on your build requirements. The pan will require a slope toward the shower drain, and experts will be sure to install the proper membranes for the walls and the flooring. With a watertight foundation in place, the tiling process can begin. The tile installation can be back-breaking work, and it requires special tools to get the job done right. Finishing touches like glass walls, shower doors, and new fixtures will bring the entire space together. A walk-in shower can add a lot of value to your home, so be sure to hire a pro so that this investment is a smart one.